Hi, welcome back. Today we're here to help you set up Guardian Expert on your mobile phone. So if you open up the app and go to Devices, which is the top button in the left there to get in, you can put in your register mode as IP domain, put in an alias, that's whatever you want to register this name as for yourself, then put in your IP address or your DDNS. If you have one of those, you can use Eyesonic DDNS. If you want to check that video, a link will be below. You put in your port of your server port that you can find in your network settings, and then you're going to go to your username and password of the DVR and enter that information there. Once that's entered, you hit save in the top right, and you'll have the option down there at the bottom. You can put in remote configuration if you want. That'll bring up some settings. But if we go back, we can hit start live view, and then you'll be able to see your cameras. With the cameras, you'll be able to see specific things, like you can hit 1, 4, 9, or 16 to see all of your cameras. You can double tap 1 to bring it back to the main one's view. At the bottom bar, you can see that there's a piece of glass, and you can choose clear or fluent to switch between the fluent, which is the substream quality, or clear, which is the mainstream quality. You also have at the bottom a couple other options. When you scroll down there, you have your magnifying glass. That will let you zoom in and out on an object. I'm just going to switch it back to fluent for a second so you guys can actually see that it will maintain the quality of the image when it's in the highest quality, although it uses more data, so just be aware of that. But when you zoom in there, you'll be able to see it's higher quality. We also have a couple other features at the bottom bar. So one of the other features that you'll have will be things like the microphone or the speaker. That'll give you audio or two-way audio if your cameras support that. We also have the alarm bell. So the alarm bell gives you the option to trigger your alarms, your alarm outputs, if you have something hooked up to that as well, like maybe a speaker or a siren that goes off. So that would give you that option as well. Going on from there, you probably would want to see, you can set up like custom views or a favorite list. So you choose the cameras you want and click the star icon in the bottom right to choose your favorites, and that will save you a favorite list. And then when you click on start live view there, it will bring up your favorite list, and you can save that there. So once you have all that, you probably want to realize that you have as well, you can do a camera icon, takes a photo of what you're seeing, or the video icon, record a small snippet. You also have the joystick if you have like a PTZ control or something like along those lines hooked up to, or PTZ hooked up to your cameras. So the next thing we're going to go to is playback. So if you're wanting to be able to do remote playback, you're going to click the icon on the top left there again, and you're going to go to remote playback. In remote playback, you'll be able to choose your first camera by clicking on the camera icon there. You choose the camera and hit play. That'll let you sort of get right away to sort of the date that you're on. You can also click the top list under the top right icon there. It gives you brings you back to the camera list, and you can choose your from and to time. So if you want to be more specific, you want to say I want the 13th at 3 p.m. I can choose that, and I can go and scroll through to that date and time. You also have the ability to do fast forward. So you hit the 1 to up to 16, depending on if your NVR supports that. You can also pause the video if you need to. At the bottom, there's the pause button, the two bars. You do have the ability to choose your zoom in there as well, so you can go to the magnifying glass if you want to as well. And just like before on that bottom bar, you have your speaker, you have the ability for a picture, or you can do clipping, which will grab a small bunch of clips. So you have those options as well. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, click like. If you want to see more, click subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.